Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN D2 Bravo Titanium, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch. To do it, press and hold the up button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the settings option, and once you select it, press the start button to enter. Here, scroll through the menu, find the system option and select it, then press the start button to enter. Now scroll through the menu, find the language option, select it and press the start button to enter. And now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through it by using the up and down buttons. Find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, press the start button to confirm. And after a couple of seconds, the language should be applied. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.